want to come say hi? Say, my lip gloss is popping. My lip gloss is cool.
My lip gloss is popping. My lip gloss is cool.
And the sun will come out tomorrow. The sun is like creeping through over here. Trying to avoid it. It's just
Creeping.
lights, camera, action. What's up, guys? So for today's video, I thought it'd be really cool to do a Euphoria inspired makeup tutorial. Let me know if you guys watched that show down below in the comment section. So this is one of the looks that Maddie wore in the show. I'll go ahead and put a close-up of the inspo right over here somewhere. But yeah, I was able to find the makeup artist on Instagram and she had a close-up photo. And yeah, so that's basically where we got all of this inspiration from. I'm super excited about it. The rhinestones are giving me freaking life. This look is just super cool and edgy and badass, and I'm here for it. I'm about it. I'm about that life. So yeah, this is what we're getting into today. If you guys want to see how to create this makeup look, then just keep watching. Okay, so first I'm gonna take the 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Perversion by Urban Decay, and we're just going to map out the black color on the eyes. And then I'm just going to take the Charlotte Tilbury Instant Eye Palette, and I'm going to take this black shade right here from the Disco Eye section. It's just a matte black shadow, and we're going to set that and then blend it all out. Okay, so next I'm just going to switch up the brushes, and I'm going to use this one right here by Sigma. It's kind of like a flat blending brush, and I'm going to dip back into that black color from the same palette. And we're just gonna blend it inwards, kind of like an ombre effect going on. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go into the Urban Decay Electric palette and pick up this shade right here. It's called Revolt. It's a silver shade. We're gonna pop that all over the lid and blend that into the black color. I am gonna be spraying my brush with some MAC Fix Plus for this though, because we want it to be badass metallic color. Okay, so this is what we're looking like so far. I'm just gonna go in with that same black shade, and we're just gonna kind of line the eyes with that shadow. Side note though, the good thing about doing your makeup first, like your face makeup, is that like black eyeshadow or like really pigmented eyeshadows won't stick to it. You just swipe it off with a fluffy brush and you're good to go. I swear every time I say that, it reminds me of Joey from Friends when he gave Chandler that super gaudy gold bracelet. If you're a Friends fan, thumbs up this video and comment down below what your favorite Friends episode is, or like your favorite Friends quote is. I have way too many. I watch that show way too much. It's the best. Okay, so for mascara, we're going in with my fave. This is the Urban Decay Perversion mascara. And with the power of editing, bam, lashes. Okay, so moving on to the lower lash line, I'm going back in with that Perversion 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil, and we're just gonna run that just through the outer corner of the lower lash line here. I don't like to take mine all the way through because I feel like it makes my eyes look smaller, and I feel like I have small eyes as it is. So I'm just gonna run that through just about there for my eyes. And I think I'm gonna put some white on the waterline. She doesn't have white on her waterline though, but I'm gonna put white in mine just to make my eyes look a little bigger, because she does have very doe-eyed looking eyes, and I love that look. I don't have it. This ain't it. So we're gonna fake it to make it. See what a difference that made? Just made my eyes look a lot larger and in charge. So okay, so now I'm just gonna go in with the black shadow that we've been using this whole time, and I'm gonna run that over the black. I'm trying to find this brush and I can't find it. The struggle is real. I'm gonna run that over that black liner that we just put down on the lower lash line. I'm gonna drag it out a little bit though, just to be a little fancy schmancy. Okay, so she didn't really have much going on like in the inner corners, but I think what I want to do is go back in with that silver real quick on a pencil brush and drag it all up in there in that inner corner, just to give us a little something extra. Ooh, yes, that's what I was going for. just gonna take some mascara, using the Laura Geller Lash Boss mascara. I love this for my lower lashes because it's got like a longer side, a shorter side. You can really get in there to that lash line, but then you can also lengthen too. So we're gonna roll with this one. All right, so now for the fun part, I'm gonna take, oh my gosh, already foul. Way to go, Krystal. Way to go. I just spilled all the gems. I forgot it was open. Okay, so I'm just using this one right here. It's from the craft store. I think I got it from Michael's. It comes in a bunch of different sizes, but I'm gonna use the tiniest size. There's still some in there. I just spilled a crap ton of it all over, but we still got some. So in the photo, it looks like she has studs on her eyes and not gems, but I have gems on hand, so we're gonna rock and roll with that. The studs do look badass. I should have got some studs. And I'm just gonna glue those on with some lash glue. Keep it steady, girl, keep it steady. I feel like I'm playing Operation. Okay, so to finish off the rest of the face, I'm just gonna go in with some blush. We're gonna use the Rimmel Maxi Blush in the shade Third Base. Okay, so then to highlight, I think I'm just gonna go for something a little subtle because it doesn't look like she has any highlight on her face. I'm just gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow, and I'm gonna use the highlight shade right there. Okay, and for the lips, we're gonna go in with this combo. This is the MAC Lip Pencil in Strip Down, and then I have the L'Oreal Color Riche in Ultra Nude as a matte lipstick. She's got like a nude vibe going on there, so we're gonna roll with these two. Okay, so this is it. This is the look. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Don't forget to thumbs up the video on your way out if you liked it, of course. And oh, if you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button and join our little fam we got going on up in here. But yeah, I gotta go. I'm sweating. I've got like under boob sweat going on. It's not cute, girl. Hi, baby.
Hi.
Hi. You wanna come say hi?
Hi.
The sun is in your eyes. Go on this side. There you go. Say hi. Tell them what your name is.
Hi. My name is Mia, and last time I say action, I was the director.
You're the director?
Uh-huh.
Tell them what you want to be when you grow up.
I want to be a fashion designer.
And?
An actress.
Right, that's what you told me. You said you wanted to be an actress. Lights, camera, action. Sorry. What do you think of Mommy's makeup look?
It looks fabulous, Mommy.
I look fabulous. Do I look so edgy?
Yes.
And cool. Do you like the rhinestones? How do you feel about it? What do you think about these rhinestones?
You mean
on my eyes.
Ah.
What do you think about them? How do they make you feel?
Happy.
Happy? Yeah.
Happy. I really love Jess so much.
I know you love them, girl. His hair's all frizzy. Ooh. Love you.
Love you too.
I love your. You hurt yourself? You okay?
Yeah, okay. Stretchy.
You're stretchy.
Mm-hmm.
I love your lip gloss. Your lip gloss is popping.
Uh-huh.
Say, my lip gloss is popping. My lip gloss is cool.
My lip gloss is popping. My lip gloss is cool.
Alright, say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
I love you.
Love you.
Kiss, kiss.
Mwah.
Alright, she had to go do her own little thing. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. That was so weird.